This is the voice of the martyrs, Maldives. I know them for their broadcast to Korea in the Korean language, but I don't know this station to the Maldives. It is 11620 kHz. They only broadcast for half an hour, it seems like. The martyrs in the name of the station refers to Christian martyrs, people being persecuted for being Christians. The station was founded by a Romanian person who said he was persecuted in communist Romania. It is not known where this specific signal comes from. I'm guessing it might be Madagascar because the signal is very, very clear. It is aimed at the Maldives, as I said. You can hear a very clear station ID right at the end and also an address to contact them. I listened on the Eton Elite Traveler III, but then suddenly at one point some noise appeared. I think it was a car outside. And then I just switched to the Kenwood R1000. There's also a bit of noise, but still, this is an exceptionally clear reception of this station.
Thanks for tuning in to TVOM Maldives Radio. Let us know you listen by sending an email to Maldives@VOMKorea.com. That's Maldives@VOMKorea.com.